How to use gestures on your Google Pixel Buds 2a and Pro 2. If you have Pixel Buds Pro 2, you can use simple head movements to manage incoming calls or interact with notifications without using your hands or voice. To make sure this feature is set up, on your device, open Settings. Tap Touch Controls, then toggle on Use Head Gestures. Put on your Pixel Buds. Then tap Start. To calibrate your head movements to your Pixel Buds, follow the on-screen instructions. Each time you successfully set up a head gesture, you will hear 3 chimes. You can now use head gestures on your Pixel Buds Pro 2. To answer a call, nod your head up and down twice. To dismiss a call, shake your head side to side twice. You can also answer or dismiss an incoming call while already on a call by using head gestures. To answer a new call and put the first call on hold, nod your head up and down. To end the new call and return to the first call, shake your head side to side. If you have Pixel Buds Pro 2, you can respond to messages hands-free using head gestures with Gemini on your Android phone. To respond to a message, nod your head up and down twice. When you hear the head nod tone, you can respond to the message by voice. On Pixel Buds 2a and Pro 2, you can also use touch controls. Tap to play and pause audio or answer calls. Double tap to go to the next track and/or reject calls. Double tap will also stop Gemini responses. Triple tap to go to the previous track. If you have Pixel Buds Pro 2, you can swipe forward to raise volume and swipe backward to lower volume. When you set up your Pixel Buds 2a or Pro 2, active noise cancellation with Silent Seal is on by default. To switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode, touch and hold either earbud. Your earbud will chime to indicate the mode has been switched. You can also interact with Gemini by saying, "Hey Google."
Hey Google, what's the weather going to be like tomorrow?
It'll be mostly sunny with a high of 82 and a low of 56.
Or you can ask Gemini to raise or lower the volume.
Hey Google, raise the volume.
To learn more, visit the Google Pixel Buds Help Center.